My name is Barnabas Amioleme. Today, I will be teaching you how to assign permission to your file and folder. We will start by creating different username. This tutorial is based on a standalone computer, that is one computer. Maybe, for example, you have a computer in your office, just one system in your office, whereby you have multiple users. And of course, you have your files inside that same computer. And you do not want other users to have access to that folders. And at the same time, you also want other users to have access to some files, okay, that may be considered as public files. Of course, this is a very foundation for cyber security. Like everybody wants to go into cyber security, I want to know, because it's very lucrative and all that. Of course, you must start from the basic. This is the basic of the foundation of a cyber security. Without all this, you cannot go anywhere. You must understand the basic. You must understand what you are defending. Okay? That is, you must be able to understand the OS, types of OS, file, folders. These are basic things you must take into consideration as a cyber security expert. So, I will want you to share this video so that your friends and your family members will also have a benefit of understanding the foundation of cyber security. Do not keep it to yourself if you come across this video. Let us start by simply going to Windows 11 environment. I will right click here and look for settings. Look for settings, then look for where you have an account. This account, click on it, then look for other users. So this other user, you click on it, then click on add. So this is the environment where you want to create different username. You can create as many as possible. So in a company, normally you have a different format for easy identification. Maybe, for example, you have a Paul John as the name of a user. Okay? Then I can decide to use the first letter or the first name plus the whole letters or the last name. That is, I can simply say P John. Okay? Or I can still use both Paul and John by saying either Paul John or Paul.John. That can form a user name of the person. So I will use P John as the user name. So move to the next one, then enter the password. What you will put here must also be the same thing that you will also put here. That's why I say enter the password. Enter the password meaning the first password you enter, then re-enter it again. That is you want to confirm it because it shows that it's very, very important. So they want you to know that yes, what you have your password you enter, okay, is correct, or you remember. So let me just simply type a simple password. Password at 1. Password at 1. Okay. If I enter a wrong password here, let's say password. Okay, without at 1, you can see it's telling me wrong password. Okay, let me just add at 1. Okay, all right. Then I will now move here to secure, that is, provide the information for password recovery. In case in future maybe you misplace your password or you forget your password, of course you need some information to recover them back. So as I already advise, do not use fake name. Use the real name that you can remember, because when you lie about the information here, there's not how you can remember. But when you use what you know that are facts, they are real information, you can never forget. It's not possible for you to forget a real information that concern you. But if you just forge information that you don't even, maybe you are just forging it now, there's somehow you can remember them. So that's why I always advise that you use the real information. The first question here is that, what was your first pet name? Okay, what was your first pet name? So I'm selecting it. What was it? Then the answer. About the answer. Bunny. Then the second name. What is the name of the city where you were born? Then Lagos. Then the last name here, the last say your nickname, your childhood nickname. Okay. So repeat it. Okay. Then press next. That is all. You have created a user name. It's not more than that. Don't allow people to deceive you. It's not more than that. It's as easy as ABCD. So this is just the beginning of your journey into cyber security. The moment you can do this on your computer, meaning you have started the journey. Okay, so I want you to follow me. I'll be dishing out these simple things that matters, this foundation. Okay, the next video will now be, how do we now use this username that I just created to log on to this computer. Okay, then after that, then the next video, the third video will now be, how do we now protect your file when you log on with this username, and also how do you now grant access to other people that will be using that same computer. This is what we'll learn in a subsequent video that will be coming. Share this video so that you can easily follow other video that will be coming. Thank you, and God bless you.